Welcome to the Ultimate Pizza Guide, unleashing the art of pizza making. In this video, we'll take you on a mouth-watering journey to create the most delicious pizza you've ever tasted. So let's get started. First, let's talk about the foundation of any great pizza, the dough. Mix flour, water, yeast, salt, and a pinch of sugar until it forms a soft, elastic dough. Let it rise for an hour, and you'll have the perfect base for your pizza masterpiece. Now it's time to unleash your creativity with the toppings. Choose your favorite ingredients like fresh tomatoes, mozzarella cheese, basil leaves, and your choice of veggies or meats. Just remember, the key to a great pizza is balance, so don't overload it. Next, let's explore the secrets of the perfect pizza sauce. Combine crushed tomatoes, garlic, olive oil, and a blend of Italian herbs. Simmer the sauce for a few minutes to let the flavors meld together. Trust us, this sauce will take your pizza to the next level. Assemble your pizza by stretching the dough onto a baking sheet. Spread a generous amount of sauce over the dough, followed by your toppings. Remember, it's all about the presentation, so get creative with your designs. Now it's time to slide your pizza into a preheated oven. Bake it at a high temperature for about 10 to 15 minutes until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is bubbling and delicious. Finally, the moment we've all been waiting for, tasting our masterpiece. Cut into those cheesy slices and indulge in the explosion of flavors. Whether you like a crispy thin crust or a fluffy thick crust, homemade pizza is always a crowd pleaser. Thanks for joining us on this culinary adventure of pizza making. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more mouth-watering recipes. Until next time, happy pizza making!